If you're watching this, chances are you're looking for ways to enhance your remodeling projects, drive more customer referrals, and increase your bottom line. Well, you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Tian, the manager and lead trainer at the VELUX Pro Partner Academy, a state-of-the-art 3,000 square foot training center fully equipped with a technical showroom and interactive training space, ensuring that every detail reflects our commitment to both innovation and excellence. Our program is designed with remodelers like you in mind, understanding that today's homeowners want more than just renovations. They want spaces that feel open, bright, and full of life. And even though skylights are one of the most effective ways to achieve that transformation, many remodelers hesitate to offer them simply because they aren't familiar with the value or installation process. That's where we come in. Our goal is to give you and your team the knowledge, skills, and confidence to seamlessly add skylights and sun tunnels into your designs, helping you exceed client expectations while adding value to every project. Our training is broken down into two training paths: business opportunity and skylight installation training. The business opportunity section concentrates on the sales and business aspects of the skylights. It teaches you how to present skylights as a premium home upgrade that not only enhances homeowners' well-being through natural light and fresh air, but also increases the value of their homes. You'll learn how to clearly communicate those benefits to homeowners and integrate skylights into your remodeling projects as a high-value upsell. We'll also cover strategies to overcome common homeowner objections and help you feel confident in presenting skylights as a way to increase the beauty and functionality of any space. By the end of this session, you'll have the tools to maximize your project's profitability while offering a solution that homeowners love. The Skylight installation training is a hands-on session designed to give you and your team the practical skills needed to professionally install or replace residential VELUX skylights that are prevalent in your area. What makes this training unique is that it combines best practices with facilitated hands-on skylight installation. At interactive workstations, you'll work directly with VELUX products, learning how to properly frame, flash, and install them for weather-tight performance, backed by our industry-leading 10-year warranty. As part of the presentation, you'll have live product demonstrations showing you exactly how VELUX skylights work and what makes them stand out from the competition. And our daylight, sound, and energy-efficient simulators provide a dynamic learning experience that allows you to experience the full range of benefits VELUX skylights offer. Throughout the course, we will guide you through the best practices for integrating skylights into different roof types, ensuring long-term durability and performance. As part of our commitment to your team's success, the VELUX Pro Partner Academy offers flexible installation training options to help you make the most of your academy experience. With our mobile installation training, our interactive classroom comes right to your door. Available in English and Spanish, this dynamic course delivers world-class training on residential installation techniques common in your market. During your scheduled session, our expert trainers come to your location in our cutting-edge training van, custom designed with installation stations that replicate on-site conditions. This one-of-a-kind mobile classroom allows you to get the same interactive skylight experience you would at our academy, upskilling your team without disrupting your workday. Created for pros like you, our groundbreaking mobile training experience delivers the practical skills and confidence your team can use on the next skylight job. No matter where you take it, at our place or yours, it's the same world-class skylight training by VELUX experts you can trust. To make it easy for you and your team to attend, we offer multiple sessions weekly, allowing you to choose a date and time that fits your schedule. This training is completely free of charge. However, spaces are limited and spots fill up fast, so we highly recommend reserving your space as soon as possible. If you're interested in enrolling in either of the courses, simply fill out the short form and we will follow up with the necessary details. I look forward to welcoming you and your team to our Pro Partner Academy.